I want to make some rolled kebabs, so I chose sirloin for that. First, I need to butterfly my meat. It's not that hard. Just put your knife about 2 centimeters from meat surface, then start cutting it, but don't go all the way through. You can repeat that for another layer too. Now I spread my meat on my cutting board and start beating it with a meat mallet. Now that I'm done with the mallet, I want to marinate the meat. I will put some sliced garlic and then some Worcestershire sauce. After that, it's time for pouring some olive oil, pepper, and salt. Don't forget adding salt in marinade and let the meat rest for 1 hour or more can act as a tenderizer. I was going to forget paprika. Now start rubbing the ingredients until they are absorbed to the meat. Cover the meat with film and put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour while we prepare the stuffing. We need some bell peppers. You'd better use various colors for more beauty. Cut peppers into julienne slices. Look at these warm colors. I love it. After an hour, it's time to put those bell peppers on the meat and roll it so that peppers are completely covered with meat. Take one edge and roll it. Roll it, roll it. Cut the excess meat. It's now time to cut our rolled kebabs into 4 or 5 centimeter pieces. Look at this beauty. Skewer the rolls, but be careful not to let them open. Remember, you can use wooden skewers instead. Put 5-6 rolls on each skewer. Time for cooking. Use charcoal or put them in the oven. Our beautiful and yummy kebabs are ready. Serve them with rice or whatever vegetables you prefer.